erfahrensten Künstler, die wirklich ihre Sache bearbeiten. Und was bin ich eigentlich? Nur ein Schnellkünstler und so weiter. Die Produktion. Aber das Denken ist der Leitfaden. Die Ideen. Es gibt einen Leitfaden. Und davon kommt vielleicht auch meine Unsicherheit.
Alright, let's get this Monday Mayhem work party started. Sorry. Yeah, that's the color we want. Let's see how it looks now. I hope the sound's okay. Yeah. This is all coming out. That's under the technology management or strategic planning section. I think strategic planning is where we said that was going to go. There's notes that I need. I definitely have a much clearer vision of what I want it to look like now, which is going to make this easier for sure. Okay. just want this section to be, I think, services, right? Yeah. What we do and who we do it for. So I want to use, let's see, I'm going to open it over here. Oh, there. I think it's up on level. Yeah. Old website copy. Let's open this one and this one. Let's make that a little bit bigger for these old eyes. Well, that's annoying. That's really annoying. Let's see. Let's add some. Okay. So we can see everything a little bit better. We added some spaces. Okay. There we go. Let's minimize that. I want to at least be able to see these. Why is that acting so weird? Is it weird when I put it over here too? Yeah. I think I want to close that. I don't like things acting weird. Well, not like that kind of weird, like broken weird. Okay. Let's see here. So we've got these two. Okay. And we're in this section here. We want to let's edit this. I'm just going to say something about like what we do and who we do it for. What we do is going to be like these kind of things, right? This is information that was on the old page. So business solutions that are on budget for the growth, efficiency, with strategy, that kind of stuff. All of this stuff I want to have in this headers, not the header section, this section after the header on the home page. Then the next one is going to be like work examples, and then like call to action during that. We'll consider putting pricing on the front page. I feel like more we should put the pricing under the strategic planning and the technology management page section. Okay. Technology solutions. I don't know. Sometimes I have trouble picking like what words I want to use, because I want to be efficient with my language, but I also don't want to be like buzzwords, you know. I don't want to do that kind of thing, so try to be like clear and concise. That's why I'm just like, I don't know, is it business solutions, is it technology solutions? Probably it's closer to technology solutions. I don't know. I think we'll just start writing stuff, and then we'll trim it and size it and do other things with it. Sometimes just important to get it like out there first. Nonprofits, like NGO kind of things. I don't know, maybe I don't want to put this. What's the definition of a small business exactly? Because what I think is small, what other people think are small. Okay, SBA, so the Small Business Association defines small businesses as... Give me the ranges. The definition of small varies by industry. That's nice. So even when they're trying to define what small means, it's still variable. So guess that doesn't really work. That doesn't work. Let's just put that there for now. Now, I think I want to have 3 columns, maybe. Which ones are we going to use? Let's see which ones we like here that we would use. Efficiency, for sure. Strategy, for sure. I think strategy and goals is the same. Infrastructure. And then mention like cloud or on-site. Okay. Inside infrastructure. What else? Peace of mind. Yeah. Security. How many do we have now? 1, 2, 3. Security and resiliency is kind of like, could be the same thing, as one enables the other, vice versa. 2, 3, 4, 5. I want growth on there, but we're going to write something different for it. I have an idea, but I want to, like, you know, age it a little bit. Like, let me write it down and think on it. And then maybe like a little description down here below that. I don't know. Okay, we'll just leave that there and we'll marinate that for a little bit. I like this kind of layout. I like the icons with a little bit of description next to them. So when I say this is the kind of things that we want to highlight throughout all of our work, like regardless of the project that we're working on or the client that we're working with, these are kind of the pieces that inform the work. Like this is like the underlying foundational information about how we serve our clients so that they know kind of, I would guess, what to expect. I don't know. Sometimes the more I talk about this, the less I have any idea of what I'm doing. Or if what I'm doing is any kind of good. I don't know. We'll see. So maybe instead of being like, so we need to say something about not just growth, but like serving current clients, better ways to like serve current customers, clients, and ways to reach new clients. Maybe that's under growth. We'll just reword that under growth. Goals, strategy, growth, and let's see, security. So security, resiliency, 0. I don't think that's what I wanted to equal, but we'll see. Maybe that's what it equals. Maybe it's more security plus infrastructure. We'll see. We'll see. All right. Hopefully I can use those icons other places too. So maybe that's what I want to say here, like the idea that like regardless of the project, this is how we work kind of thing. I screwed up. Surprise. Surprise! I don't know what I'm doing. Anybody here on the regular should know that's not a surprise. I'm still kind of coming back to like more like the roadmap feel versus. Wait. Yeah. Okay. Okay. This has to lead benefits, right? We always have to work from the idea of like what's in it for them. What are the benefits they're receiving? I got a case of the Mondays, I think. I'm not very chatty today. Sorry, y'all. I don't know what I want to say. Strategic technology solutions to nonprofits and businesses. That's true. What's the benefit to them? What's the benefit to them? What are they? I mean, it depends on what they're looking for. Like, it could be like, so maybe it's just like the benefits would be, let's look. Benefits would be, increased efficiency. This is a benefit. Doing more with less kind of thing, right? If you get more efficient, then, you know, maybe you don't need to hire that new person, or you can get more done, so you can reach more new clients in that period of time that you would have only reached 10, now you reach like 100 or something like that. So the strategy and goals part is not. Infrastructure is not. Growth is a benefit. That benefits their bottom line. I mean, this is a benefit too, right? Security and resiliency. This is not. Maybe the goals is achieving goals, but I can't look at that page anymore, because if it's open, then I'm just going to keep reading it and try to like refine it, make it better. Sometimes you just got to let it sit. I don't know if it's, I would say developing the best solution for challenges within your budget. That's not a benefit, but that's something we do regardless of project. So maybe that's another section we need to like write down some more notes. So I know what I want this section to look like. Now I'm struggling with what I want it specifically to say, right? I know it's going to be the same color background as the header. I know we're going to have some types of icons like the last one, and basically focus on what we do and who we do it for. And then the next section will be work examples, so we'll have to fill out our portfolio pages too. But and then under the technology management, strategic planning, there'll also be examples of work there too. Examples of work that fall under those purviews specifically. We'll have to see what the work examples are. I think I have a list of them over here, right? So maybe we won't even put any here, we'll see.
It's not going to be tight if it's loose. Simple thing. If it's swell, if it be art.
Cloud integration and migration, that'd be a big one. Because I want to try and address what they might be looking for specifically.
Well, there is no wisdom, but no lie. You have to look the truth in the eye. People, they must see it. And me not can smell him if you see it.
InfoSec. Global workforce. I'm going to write them on each of their own respective other pages too. So strategic planning would be the strategic planning solution.
You know, subconscious in your mind.
Also, strategic planning, InfoSec.
That these brothers smell bad. And this system smell good.
What else? All right, help desk gets help desk. How many do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Your nose is not too full. Trust me. That's why a dark is a righteous.
No, I'm gonna sneeze.
They no. They don't look too good, but you know, they smell it.
is not the first time that happened this morning. I think I'm getting sick. This sucks. This sucks. Oh, there we go. Maybe that's better. Probably not. Okay. Okay. Oh, my nose is getting stuffy. No, that's not what I wanted. Was that what I wanted? No, I was here. This is where I was. How many are on this page here? Solutions here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ah, network administration. That's the management page. Life cycle management should go on the strategic planning. And this has got to be, let's see. I don't know. We'll see. Help desk, mobile workforce, infosec. Okay, I think we have most of them. I'd like to see like 4 on each, but we shall get there. We shall get there. Okay. We will get there. We will get there. So maybe there needs to be like, maybe we could do it 2-column where it's like, here's what, regardless of the project, here's what we do, right? We work within your budget to increase efficiency, and, you know, within your, we look at your goals, work within your budget to, you know, increase growth and efficiency, something like that. Right? And then the benefits, well, not to increase growth and efficiency, that would be benefits. So one side being like how we work and the other side like results, regardless of the project, right? So how we work, and then, you know, what the benefit is for them. They get a business that's more resilient, more efficient, therefore more effective, and they get peace of mind knowing it's being like well managed and maintained for, you know, the health and integrity of their business. I think I have that section written down someplace else here. Well, okay, we'll get to that later. All right. Getting a little ahead of myself. I need to make some progress here on the page, not just plan it. I wonder if there's the icons here. What do we want this to look like? Let's see. I don't think we changed anything, did we? Yes, we did. I want to get this on a singular page, and I think the colors should be navy. Also, why is it not all the way across? Okay, background color, okay. Let's do 0 and 0 on the sides too. Slide in from the left, sure. Top of element hits middle of viewport. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah. All right. Now let's change the element settings. So instead of a heading 2, let's make it a heading 3. And we also need to change the font color. Let's do that in here. It's like this. A style, right? Equals color 030C3 D6E. Was that it? Hold on, let me check my 0B3C6E 0B3C6E. Oh, I think it's a double quote, not a single quote. It's been a while since I've done this. I think it's the other way around. Style, colon, color equals, maybe? No. Is it a colon or a semicolon? No, it's a colon. Semicolon is like a comma. Is that right? Then we'll close the A here. Let's see if that's right or not. Date. Preview. Yes, that's better. How about let's tighten it up so it's one line and it's just strategic technology solutions for nonprofits and small businesses. I think that's short to the point. Strategic technology solutions. Now, the other question is do we want it all caps? Do we want it some other things capitalized? What do we want? We shall see, we shall see. I think I want to make sure there's no background being uploaded. Strategics. Still seems so narrow. I should be able to open that up a bit. Yeah, that's why. I knew we could do it. It has 50 padding on each side. Hell no. Update this. Refresh this. Well, that didn't necessarily seem to do anything. Hold on. Let's do this. Update. Preview. Okay. So we're going to need to put the 50 on each side back. But otherwise, that looks amazing. Okay. So in here, let's put the 50 back on each side. Design. Let's check it out again. Okay. Let's add some padding in here. See what happens if we do that. That's better. Just center this. Let's see if that does it. Nope. Let's see what this looks like. Nope. border size, border color.
No one knows me like the piano. You show me I had something and people follow.
I don't know. Thought I had a clear vision of what I want it to look like, but I guess not. I guess not. Because it looks a lot like the old one, and that's not necessarily good. Let's preview the changes. Okay, now it's centered. Good. I know how they do this. I saw that there. What does that go to? Just the next section. Weird, that would be a click, but okay. Maybe not. I don't know. Ugh. Where's some more copy? I thought of these yesterday too, that we should look at and use and form our design. Let's see, IT. I don't think I like it all in caps. Now that we say IT, we don't need to say technology here, maybe. Maybe. Strategic solutions for... and these are some of the things that we should include as like bullet points that we have here too. So I'm looking at this. This is some of like our marketing material. So maybe this is the part where, I don't know. Can we even, you probably can't even read this, right? Because it's backwards. I have my cam mirrored. Yeah, awesome. This is what it looks on the other side. Yeah. Still backwards. Awesome. Just when I think I can't do anything dumber, I always surprise myself. IT leadership and strategic solutions. Yeah. Although I think I want to make it like this. Any word that's not an article, capitalized, because it's kind of a title. No period. Update that. Okay. Hold on just a second. I would just like to say a big shout out to Misty. Hey, Misty! I see you're in here, girl. Not gonna let you lurk. Thanks for joining me today. Hope the music is like enjoyable for work. Hope you're enjoying your, like, are your kids still on holiday break? Good Lord. My kids only got like 11 days for Christmas break. They didn't even get 2 weeks. It was really sad. There we go. That's better. Maybe. Okay. I'm going to stop creeping on my viewers. I'll just hide and just like always pretend there's nobody in here but me. Okay. Let me look at what it was previously here. Pew, pew, bing. I wonder where that other image is. I don't think it's that one because they do that in here. What is it? Oops. I hit delete. That's not what I wanted to do. Oh well. Oh well. Let's make a copy of this one. We'll put it over here. Look how easy that is. How you benefit. How we work, how you benefit. Bam, bam. Let's update it. Let's take a look at it. That's the next section. Oh, we need to change the colors and we need to center that stuff. It needs to be navy, not gray. The text can be gray, but I want the titles to be navy, I guess. Maybe it's in here we would center it. Let's see. And then I'm always wondering if I should split up based on nonprofits and small business because they both actually have, like, in general, different drivers, right? So a nonprofit driver tends to be doing more with less, reaching new donors. Those are the two that I guess are... maybe it just needs to be, like, reworded and it'll work. I think I want to use this line here, which is our clients open offices nationally, use technology to create new revenue streams enjoy simplified work processes and are able to work from anywhere, getting things done better, smarter, and faster. It's a tagline box. Everything okay? I was like, what's that sound? Let's see. Oh, and the content goes here. Let's see what this looks like. I don't even know what this looks like.
Alright, all good. Bye-bye.
Bye! Oh, like this. I don't know. I mean, I don't necessarily like that, so, but we'll just put it in the back of our minds, like I said, to marinate upon while we work on this. So how we would work would be like, I'm gonna preview this page now. It's like super weird because they're not on the same level. Oh, hey! Oh, yeah, we're gonna get cat cam? Yes, we are. Kitty cam! Kitty cam has arrived. Try to like... Oh god, I'm so bad at this. Hey, buddy. Kitty cam is live. All right. All right, we're going to delete that too. All right, the portfolio would work here. I don't know why this would be in a whole separate section. Seems stupid. Let's delete that container. We're gonna delete this container. We're going to update that. Let's change the whole background color. Let's see, theme options. There we go. Layout? Wide, okay. Responsive, yes. Colors, primary color, okay. Header background image. Header styling. Header background color. F0, F0, F0. There we go. Oh no, the header background color should be transparent. Reset! Oh my god! What did we do? Shit. Let's leave without changing things. Let's see what happens. God. Dumbass. Yeah, we don't want it to be white. We want it to be transparent. Shit. God damn it. Styling. Here we go. Oh my god. Fucked everything up. It's definitely that one, yeah. Header position top, yes. Slider position below, sure. Little blep. Let's try that. There we go. Aw. Hey, buddy. He's shedding. You're shedding. Alright, I guess the kitty cam has moved. There we go. Let's see. So the lighting is better. Or reflect less that way. Okay. Yes, this is how I want it. What is that little thing over there? That doesn't look centered. I'll have to fix that. Maybe we could do like 20 and 20. Let's try that. Doesn't look like it really did anything. But okay. Maybe this, I don't know. I don't know if we should change the color of that since everything else is that same color. Also, I feel like these need to be moved off to the side a little bit so that they actually look like they're a little bit of a distance away. And we should change that so it shows up earlier. Gotta go back to the home page. Home page. Pages, home page. Edit the slider. Strategic planning, shadow. Is it together? Oh, because it's just a regular button preset, right? Yeah, just that kind of button, I guess. Let's try styles and see if we can change anything here. Between transitions, no. Letter spacing, okay. Background, opacity, okay. Rounded corners, sure. I don't think we want any other border. So that's just how this looks. I wonder, a hover transition. I like the idea of that because I want them to know they are buttons that can be like clicked on. Scales the layer along the x-axis. So this would be like if we did this and did like made it just a little bit bigger when it moused over it. So like 1.2 and 1.2. Let's save changes. Let's run the animation, I guess. Not bad. Maybe that's even a little bit big, but let's see. I kind of like that. Let's do that for the tech management one too. Hover transition, we're going to enable it and we're going to make it 1.2 and 1.2. Cool. That was actually kind of a quick change. That makes me feel good. Let's see. We've saved everything in here. So now let's reload the home page. That looks legit. And when you click on them, it takes you to the pages that are associated with that. So that's good. This doesn't do anything other than like let you know you can scroll down. And then we'll work on this section here. I thought we deleted this. Why is that still there? Yeah, let's preview again. I don't like how the background's all white. I want it to start background for loading. should be the same color as the load page, which it's not white, so we need to make sure it's white. Theme options. Background. Where's the background? Here it is. Background pattern off. Background color F0, F0, F0. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Save those changes. Okay, let's visit the site again. It's still doing that same thing where it's like white first. Even though it's already loaded other things below the header. How do we resolve that? Main content background color, we'll fix that too. F0, F0, F0. Yes, now. Yeah. Sometimes, like, I'm happy that these little tweaks are easy. Sometimes, like, it's, like you saw, it's like, okay, I don't like that white. I want it to be the same color as everything else. Which one do I go and change to make that work? Sometimes that takes a little bit of work. There we go. Seems like it's working well. Let's look at the portfolio settings. That's going to be a whole thing too, because I'm going to need a featured image for the portfolio item. And so creating those or finding what we like and then, you know, making them kind of consistent throughout, or at least same brand coloring kind of thing. We'll have to do that. What? I got a follow and my alert didn't go off? Oh no, I'm so sorry, Fire Disk. Yeah, it's not... I wonder what's wrong with that. Thank you for following anyway, that's cool. And sorry, I suck at streaming. But I don't suck at building websites! Yay! Alright, pages. Although that's just my personal opinion, sure. Pages. Home. Although people pay me to do it, so they don't think I suck either, so there. I don't suck. Do not suck at making website pages. Alright. See what the portfolio pages are here. Wonder if we can like quick edit and make them like drafts. Yeah. That way they don't show up. Oops, I did that one already. Oops, that's not what I was supposed to do either. Let's see what this page looks like. Not bad. So we will change these. I just want to make sure they're like, let's just make them all draft so that they don't show up until we're ready to do it. Quick edit, draft. Quick edit, draft. And we will need probably 8 of these or so. Maybe a bit more. We might have to think about what we're going to include in the portfolio. We have to make sure we get the tags, or I guess the categories correct would be important, because then you can have the gallery on the bottom that's like kind of like shows other projects in the portfolio that are related, so like related projects. So we would specifically want, if someone clicked on something inside the technology management section to look at the work, then at the bottom of that would be, you know, other examples of work that also fit that category of technology management. Oh, I'm out of coffee. Good God. I cannot believe my alerts aren't working, which is really sad because they always make me laugh. They're really funny. I'm highly disappointed. Man. And I've been waiting and waiting, hoping and praying someone would follow so I could hear that hilarious neigh sound, but no. My shit doesn't work. Alright. Pages. Home. Let's go home. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Yes, we need to make sure that's centered because it's not centered right now. And then this is the gallery, so this would be like, we'll put a header here, and I think I want like, I guess I don't want another picture there, like behind it. Maybe a texture would work. What page is this? Okay, home page. Okay. We don't want this one here either. Shit. Alright, let's look again. Yes, we will add portfolio posts. No, those are definitely uneven. I'm like, that's not me, right? Like, these are definitely not even. I don't know how we will figure this out. Maybe it needs a separator or something. We'll see. This is interesting, but we're not going to do that. Maybe we'll go with like a darker background color. Yeah, I'll delete all that stuff down there. Okay. Delete. Delete. Yeah, there's the one they used. Okay, left, right. Okay, fine. We'll just delete all that too. We need a title here. Style equals color 0B3C6E. Yeah. That way it'll be that navy color. I want all the titles to be like the navy. Then the writing can be like the gray, I guess. /A and /H3. I think that'll work. Ah, if it's a title, then we can center it. Okay, we can fix that one at the top and probably each of those inside. Heading size, we want H3. I forgot what title we can change it in here. 0C. No, 0B, 3C, 6E. Oh god, I hate that shit. There we go. This is just a text block. We don't want a text block. We want titles. Just looking to see if there's anything else we want besides text block or title. B, 3C, 6E. Worked that time, nice. Sure. We'll see how this works. That's not what I want to do. I want to copy. There we go. Copy it, move it over here, change it so it says see what it looks like. Weird, it's still not quite there. This one I'll leave the underline. These ones we will not. Maybe it's like what we do and how you benefit. Either way, we need to change the default on these. Design options, separator, none. Why would these not be the same height? That makes no sense. No, it's what you do and who we do it for. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna clone this column. We're gonna delete this one here. And then we're gonna change this to say let's see if that changes so that they're in line together. Yeah. Sharp. Could always move this over a little bit, but I don't mind that. Yes, I did it. Look at that. Just delete the shit that doesn't work. Add the shit that does work. It's on the right line. Maybe it's more like style and benefits. Just style and benefit. I don't know. All right, we should get some icons going. What do we want this to look like in here? I want flip boxes. Do I want like a checklist? What is the one? No divvy? What do you mean no divvy? No divider maybe? I don't know. I'm just trying to see what this even looks like. I haven't seen what this piece looks like. Hi, by the way. How you doing? Hope everything is good and that your projects are going well. Sure. Okay, let's see what this looks like. I'm sure it's not what we want, but I just want to know what things look like. Oh, look at that. Yeah, nice. You mean no divider here between like these sections? Yeah, we could add a divider. It's not terrible. Okay, I see where it is now. Let's see if we can change like the font size maybe. Item size is 14. Divider lines, no. We'd have to change it in here. Let's make it like 30. Fuck it, let's be crazy. Make it huge. I see what you're saying. What kind of divider would I want here? Would I want it to be like a new color section? Would I want some kind of picture behind it? Maybe. I don't love this. I want it more like an icon with like a title and then a description below it. Or maybe not a title, but a text block. Like an icon inside a text block. I think we can do that. Let's take this out. I feel like we should do something for the background here. We can also add a separator. Let's do that. Add a new column, be 1 and 1 here at the top. And let's make it a separator. Let's see. Oh, you're saying that it's I didn't use this one, so you're like, oh my god, how could you not use this one? That's cool how it does that. Oh, without having to go back and forth. That's cool. I already bought this theme though. A front-end builder. Nice. All right. So for next time, there will be a next time. I like, I know because I have to switch back and forth. Yes, this would be like better because it would be like front-end changing. So that's cool. Thank you for that. Thank you. I like this one now because it's got, this is the one that I found had the most flexibility. So it's kind of like whatever I think, I'm only with this theme, I'm only limited with, I guess, my skill set. The front end builder on that one's nice though, because then I wouldn't have to switch back and forth and be like, what does this look like? What is that? So that's cool. Sorry. Didn't mean to give you the face. All right, text block. I don't think so. I don't think we want a text block. I think we need to do like nested columns here. We need to nest it so it's icons that we want and then the text block. Maybe 1/3 and 2/3 rather than half and half. This one should be icon. Okay, what icon do we want here? I don't know. What icons do we have over here? Like a pie. Ah, calendar, that's a good one.
You know it's the feeling.
Icon and circle, sure. Icon color, that is not the color we want. The background color needs to be the same as the background we have, which is right now F0, F0, F0.
Passing away, passing through,
Circle border color.
passing in between,
Let's do,
just melting outside of
I don't
your
know,
window.
maybe we should do the tangerine color we have here
You see it float away,
with the blue circle border. I don't know.
in a different direction.
This one will be FFB 751.
You will have me.
There we go. Oops, that's not what I want to do. Shit.
Bad. And it's the same.
Background color is right. The
None with nothing.
border color.
Can be
Color
like
of the
this.
circle border.
It is like magic. Always different, but always the same. You know, the thing is,
That might be too much, but
yeah,
let's see what we can do here. And this one should be... text box, maybe. Maybe we'll try an H5. Oh, I don't want to be on visual. I want to be on text. God damn it. Oops. There we go. We'll do more, but let's just see what this looks like for now. Okay, we're gonna have to fix some things I can see already. It's all the way over here. It's not nearly big enough. No, we don't want the ring around the outside. I don't think we even want it in a circle. I'm gonna have to change the color. Ah, we were supposed to add a separator here. Section separator. At the top. Maybe like that? We'll see. Background color, F0, F0, F0. Let's see what it looks like. Probably looks like shit to start with. And I see this is why you're saying like the other one would have been better. Because then I don't have to switch back and forth. It's just a front end builder. Okay, the separator's there, but we can't see it because it's the same color. There we go. It's got to go the other way. And we got to switch this too. There's too much padding here as well. And then if we do that, then we have to change the text color. And I feel like that blue is going to be too bright. Maybe we should use like a darker gray color as the background. Let's see. What's this one look like? Oh, that looks like that. Let's do it the other way. Yes, I like that. And then this section here would be all this color behind it. I wish we could make texture too. What's this color again? Let me write this down. Thank you for that theme. I'm totally gonna save that. Did I opened it, right? All right, hold on. Let me just put that on my screen over there. Okay, good. I don't know if that's quite the gray that we want. I don't hate that. Let's look at Adobe Color and see what we can get. Okay. Our main color is hex code 007FFF. Yes. Shades, maybe? Oh, I have to change it for everyone. Come on. Come on. That's shit. That works. Does that give me the navy that we use? No. Isn't that the same one? Doesn't that look exactly the same? It has the same hex code. Weird. This doesn't look bad to do like monochromatic. Triad. Complementary. Oh, this is the base color. I've been screwing it up. I've been doing it all wrong. Of course. Okay, so this is the base color. Okay, and here's all the other colors. Analogous. Okay, monochromatic. This is the base color. Okay. Triad. Okay, that's the base color. Fine. Complementary, that's the base color. Compound, that's the base color. This is kind of closer to what we have. Shades. I think shades will help me pick. And then our custom one that we have is 007 FFF. We have FF7 465 466. Also white. But we don't have white anymore. We use... Okay. We will get there. Hold on. So we use 0B 3C6A. Yeah. This one, I have it as FF7 466. Oops, that's 499466. The base color. This one is F0, F0, F0. Just like just a slight gray. And then this one is FFB751. So that's the custom one. This is what we use now. And I have this as like the highlight color for the menu. So let's save this color theme. I'm not signed in. God damn. Fine. Come here. I'm pretty sure I have an Adobe ID. Hold on one second. What color is that? I think that's the 0B 3C6E. 0B 3C6E, yeah. Hex color. Alright, what is my sign in? Just copy some sports car colors. Nice. Happy to see you. Glad you're here. Congratulations on going to the gym. I did some crazy shit in yoga this morning. And then after that I was like, well, that's all my energy for the day. Zoop. Singularity sounds villainy. Villainous. That's what I was doing. Hold on. A new page. Okay, nice. Now I'm signed in here to my color scheme, to my Adobe. Let's see. Let's save this color theme. This is the one that we're using now. I don't think we always will, necessarily. Villainous. Yeah, but I don't think it's spelled like that. I think villainous is spelled... I don't know. Hold on. Let's Google this before I like say some dumb shit that I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay. Villainous is like villain, V-I-L-L-A-I-N, and then O-U-S. Yeah. Yeah, see, we're close. You Googled it. Okay. Hilarious. Oh no, what happened to my... No, I totally closed that. Ugh. Okay. Damn it. Just when I think I'm doing a good job, I go and fuck it all up. All right. This should work. Okay. This should work. Let me know if the music's okay, like volume-wise. Villainous void. Okay. So back to the color theme here. Let's see. Okay, that's great. Let's see, how about like that? Do you want to create or explore? Oh, let's see what they said. Oh, okay. It's my brother. I think I want to look at monochromatic and save this color theme as well, because here's the base color theme. That's our 007 FFF. And then I want to be able to use some of the backgrounds, like this color would be nice for the background in the second section. Okay. I want to do monochromatic also for monochromatic, but for the base color of F0, F0, F0. Let's see what we get. Okay, that gives me grays too. I like that. Save the color theme. Oops. So these two are the same. So basically it just gave me 3 of them. One, two, three. But that's okay too. So these might be good text colors as well. Okay. We'll leave that alone for now. So I was thinking about making this divider here. We can do a gray color that goes along with it. So the background here is all that color, and then we'll change it here. Gray looks expensive. Right? Is that how that works? Is that what that color means? Or symbolizes? I don't know much about color theory. I'm not like a graphic designer, so I have that hindrance. I like the feel of this, like it's going down into the next page. Look what I did there. Hey! Okay. Not awful. It looks more posh than blue. Well, sorry. This blue is like... If we were to change this blue, we'd have to change the entirety of like all our... everything we have. So like the name, the logo, and the color. So maybe I'll do like a blue and gray together. Blue is a very common tech color too. It's also supposed to, like, I don't know, evoke like calm, serenity kind of thing. Yeah, I don't hate this together. But what color was this again? And now look at the monochrome. It's painfully neutral. Blue, yeah. I got some tangerine in here to spice it up. And we can use some salmon too, but I think I like the tangerine color better. And then this is just a hot fucking mess down here we're working on. I was thinking about doing the whole background this color, but then I want something, like, I don't want it to be uninteresting, you know. It needs to be a little bit, okay, this is the color. Look at that, that was easy. Now let's go over to our, do we still have our color maker open? Of course not. Of course not. I was like, hey, I'm totally done with that. Let's see what happens if I do this. So this is the same. That's the same as that. So it gives me 3 basically. I don't hate that either. Shades. That might be nice. What if we did shades? Did we do shades for our other one? Where's my themes? Monochromatic, monochromatic, current color theme. Let's do shades. No. My Mac user. Not really. Sorry. Ofex. That's probably, you know, I think most people that do design probably do generally work on a Mac. Probably. Also, hi. How you doing? We're sitting in this Monday. Yeah. What the some crazy shit is going on outside. Somebody has a horn that sounds like a really loud duck. I don't know what's up with that. It's distracting. Stop it. Okay. All right. Shades. Let's try shades of... Did we try shades of F0, F0, F0? Oh, God. Yeah, I think we did. And I don't like that entirely because I want... I don't know. All right. We'll save it. Let's do shades, but we'll change this to that one. I like these grays better. They're like a blue-gray kind of. I don't know how. I don't know. I just like them better. There we go. see all my themes now. Oh, it didn't save it as that? It should have. Weird. I don't know why it didn't. Monochromatic. That doesn't look too much different. But I like this better than these two monochromatics. Although I really, really like the F0, F0, F0 better than a stark white. Yeah. So I'm gonna minimize this. The section separators like that. So we want this whole... Ooh, we'd have to put the section separator. Do we need another section entirely? Like another container? I think we do, because I need to change the background color of this one to the same color as the section separator, and if I do it while it's inside, then the section separator is going to be hidden. So let's add another container. It's going to be a full one. We're going to put it up at the top. Hello, why aren't you? Come on, go here. All right, fine. Then we'll make this one go here. There we go. I have my ways of making you do what I want you to do. Ovix, thanks for the follow. Sadly, my, alarms, announcements, alerts, whatever you want to call them, they're not working, and it makes me sad because they're really funny. So I guess I'll have to try to fix those sometime. But now is not that time. And I'm so sorry. I could describe it to you, but it's not going to be the same. Maybe someday. Okay, let's change this background color to this. Yes. Now let's see if this works. Yeah. Nice. Now I'll change this text to F0, F0, F0. We gotta fix this shit, but don't worry about that. We will get there. And then I think we'll need something like a divider into the next one. And I think here we're gonna want to do maybe just a texture on the background. Like I have something that's like hexagons that might be kind of cool to have a texture on the background in this section. But I don't want it to be like too busy because there's going to be like images associated with work examples. But I kind of like this color here. I don't know. You know, have to pass it through the approvals too. So it would probably be best if it was exactly the same color as the sticky header up here. But that's going to be tough because it's also kind of transparent. Hold on a second. That's done. Okay, that's good. Okay. My brother just wants to shoot the shit, but I've got to stay focused. We got one more hour. Okay. So I like this background. I like that. This is happening now. That's okay. We want the text color to be F0, F0, F0. Fo. That's my favorite. That's so lame. Yeah, that's better. We gotta scoot it over though. It's not centered. I'm not happy with that. Why aren't you centered? Centered here. Probably because you're a text block and not a title. Design options, we want it centered. I think we want like H3. Letter spacing's fine. We don't want a... I don't think we want a separator under here. Let's say none for now. How weird. Maybe that is like centered and I just can't see it. It does not look centered to me though. I think that there's some place where there's padding inside there. Somebody's got padding someplace. Where are you? 100% site width. Okay. Design.
What do you love most about Samantha?
Oh God, so many things. I guess what I love most about her, you know, she isn't just one thing.
50 on each side for the whole container. Then in this container, let's see what we got. Let's do that. Weird. Let's delete this one so we only have one. There's an animation on this one too. What is it? Slide from the left, half a second. Top of the element hits the bottom of the viewport. I think we want to do that. Preview. There we go. I think we want to add maybe a little bit of padding here. Need more iconography. Let's see if we can add some padding at the top here. Design. Yeah, that's better. Who knows? I'll probably sleep on this, wake up tomorrow and be like, all of this is shit. Redo it all. Okay, we want this text to be design options. Should probably make it a little smaller since the main title one is that size. That could be part of the problem too of why it's feeling a little bit weird. Design options. Let's make it H2 and see what happens. Yeah, I like how it kind of goes just outside both of these in the section here. I feel like they're a little bit far apart here. We might want to tighten this up a little bit. We'll see. Like maybe we do... I don't know. We'll figure out how to divide it. We can divide it all the way up to sixths, but I think half and half is not ideal here. We'll see. Font color. F0, F0, F0. Font color. Oops. There we go. Okay. Delete these nested columns. Let's add some extra here so we can just get a little extra space on the section. Shoop, 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 shoop. Maybe we need a little something in here. Maybe some like, so if we divide it like 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, then we could go, that would leave me with 3/6, which would be half, so quarter and quarter. Have you watched Games Done Quick? I don't think so. Is that like on Twitch, Games Done Quick? I mean, look at this. Obviously, we don't do anything quick around here. It's taking forever to do anything. So annoying. Background. Let's do... Doesn't look like we can do a texture. Speed running for charity. Ah, okay. Oh, and you can see lots of different games, and then you get ideas about new stuff to play. That's cool. Probably the title here is too big, but we have other things we could use. This might be interesting. This would have to be like bigger down here to see everything. I'm not sure I like how fuzzy it is. We have one like this, which is just like this background grid. That might look nice. Let's preview that. I just don't want it to be boring. It's not terrible. Can leave it like that for now. We'll also need another section at the bottom that is like call to action section, I guess. We need a new container, right? Yeah. There we go. Which will be like the contact us for whatever section. Okay. We'll need another separator here. Section separator. Do top and bottom? What's that look like? That looks like a whole bunch of nope, is what that looks like. We do a slant. think about it on the bottom. That's okay, but maybe we do it from the other side. And we change the color. And in fact, we need it here. Yeah, in here. What color are we gonna make it? Let's just... from the right. Okay, let's see if this how this looks. Nope, we'll have to put it up in the next section so that background is right. If I adjust the padding on the bottom, it should work. Design, bottom padding, 0. Yeah, that worked. Okay, then the next section will be the call to action section. It's not terribly bad. This needs to come down, so it's down through here. I also think actually I want to tighten this up so that... and change the color a little bit. I would like the inside of the hexes to look like the same color as this gray here, instead of like a brownish gray. Maybe the background to still be F0, 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 and then the hexes to start like right on the line here. I don't want a gap. But we can, you know, we can adjust all of that. We'll get there. I swear to God, we will get there. I swear. All right. I also don't like the underline there, I don't think, but we'll see. We'll see how that grows on us. All right, I'm going to take a quick bio break and get another coffee, and I'll be right back. I'm back. Okay. So, just a little housekeeping, I forgot. We're gonna wrap this up around 2. But no stream tomorrow because I have a client meeting. Wednesday, if there is a stream, it's going to be super short because kids have a half day of school. And Thursday will be no stream because I have another client meeting. So if I don't see you on Wednesday, it will be on Friday. Let me look at a different page. Let's update, make sure everything's correct here. Let's take a look at this. This is content boxes, timeline vertical. Timeline horizontal. I guess this means they're connected. Oh, hey, mister. Let's look at this page and see what it looks like. I think I've seen it before. Just wanna... Yeah, it's like this. I don't know why that's timeline. Ooh, kitty cam. Can watch the cat chill out. There we go. I guess. Ah, no, breaking everything. Oh my god, that's probably even worse than before. Oh. I just wish I got better at things over time. Okay. And this is like the checkmart stuff. Okay. Yeah, checklist. All right, content boxes. Let's take a look at them. Background color, I'm guessing that's like transparent. Because I don't see white as the background color there. There's the icon they're using. Great. Color of the icon. Icon background color. Border size. Inner border color. Matches the background. Okay. Outer border size. Wonder if I can... I can, instead of copying this and saving it to another page, I can save it as an element that I can use on any other page. So that's what we shall do. That way we don't have to look back and forth. Come on. Let's get it together. Okay. And what's the animation? None. Okay. Pulsate icon hover animation type. Okay. So, all right. So there's an overall animation and there's inside each one. Okay. So we're going to take this and we're going to save this. Save it as a global element, and we're going to call it, what? Icon, pulsating icon with description. Hey buddy, how you doing, Bluey? I have to undecorate the house tonight because it's after Three Kings Day. Time to take down the tree. Okay. Ooh, actually I don't want it to be a global element. No. Yes, that's right, because global element means no matter where you put it, it looks exactly the same, so we don't want that. Oh god, what did we just do? Close this page. Oh no. Here, save. Not global. Okay. Global is for an element. It's almost like makes it a stamp. So whatever you design it as, you can use it in different places and it looks exactly the same, but it's not, you can't change it. If you change it in one place, it changes it in all places. So we didn't want it to be global. But now we can go to the home page. Spitting coffee every place. How embarrassing. Okay, there's our separator. We want it there. What are you doing? He's playing with my hair. Is that it? You playing with my hair? Silly boy. Okay. Now we can add a library element, and it's the pulsating icon with description. Now let's preview this and see what it even looks like. Okay, we'll need to move it over and change all the colors and the icons and the text. But the bones are there. I don't know if I want a timeline though, because it's like one to the next to the next. We'll need that in the roadmap section. Maybe this is process and this is something else. Yeah, I think we'll change that to process. Now, something that we for sure want, let's add a new column, but we just want a 1/6 column. And I'm going to stick it over here. Let's make this a third. And a third. I could put another 1/6 in between and we could put something there. I don't know what it's going to look like. Let's preview. I don't think I want it centered anymore. I want it to the left. Maybe I could have just centered this stuff instead. And that would have been better than adding the extra 1/6 column. I think that has some like writing underneath each of the sections too. So that's going to work really good for what I want it to work for. I like to say process, I don't like it to say it there, and I'm not sure about the font. I don't know. I think I want these to be like F0, F0, F0 background, but I want the ring to be the tangerine color from here. Maybe? Like I just want to use little tiny bits of tangerine. That might be too much. Maybe it's just the blue. We'll see. So many decisions. Decision fatigue. Design descriptions left. I think this will work. Yes. That's much better. Okay. We need to have something here. Even if it's just more space. That's really what we just need, more space. So here, let's add at the bottom. Let's add another 20 pixels. See if that does it for us. Nope, I don't think that's where we needed to put it. Let's put it in here. Design. 20 top, 20 bottom. Double it and see what it looks like. Okay. Getting there. And how many did we need? I'm looking from notes from like previous stuff. That's right. We'll need a contact us page too. Okay, and that's what the portfolio pages are going to look like. I don't know if I want it to be all caps. All right. Oops, I don't want to put that there like that.
It's a good life, you know.
let's copy this and we'll put it over here. Got some idea what these ones should be. See. Icon color. F0, F0, F0. Try that. F0, F0, F0. There's not going to be a link. Unless we wanted it to link to... Unless we wanted it to link to an example of work that highlights this, but that's something we can choose to do a little later. And then what is this going to be in here? Let's see. I did have something open here. Let's start with this. Okay. Discover and develop. Oxford comma required. And reach more clients. Okay. Let's leave that for now and see what happens. Let's see what it looks like. It's not bad. Not hating this. I need to change the color of the text, maybe? As well. I like it to be the F0, F0, F0. So all the text has like the same color. And I can't read this down here either. We're going to have to change that text color. Here we go. Title font color. Let's do... I think navy will be too dark. What were the complementary colors to... I should probably print those ones out, right? Yeah, of course I should. For tomorrow. Shades of F0. D6. I think that's one of the colors they already use in here. Let's see, D6. Body font color. Let's do the same thing. Let's do D6. Let's see how that looks. I think I'm going to make these D6 too because it's just a little bit darker. Just a little more gray. I like it. Now, I don't think I want to do the lines in between them. I don't think so. So instead of doing a timeline vertical, we'll just do icon with title. Yeah. Although I don't, nope, not quite. It's not quite what I want. Classic icon on side. Let's try that. Yes. Yes. That's it. Exactly. Yeah, I don't want them like lined up together because to me that's like leading one point to the next, and that's not necessarily, they're in no particular order. So yeah. All right, good. We made some like headway here. Good. Let's change this to D6. We said we want to do that, right? Oh, it's under design options here. Yeah. And the other one too. God damn it. There. If you don't type it in fast enough, it tries to like autofill for you, which is complete shit. It doesn't know what the fuck it's doing. Like, no one would ever want that color. Why are you trying to put that color in there? Stop. I guess so. Why is that one suddenly lower? Ah, so I see. Now we have to change what this says because the benefit is we'll take it out to just like growth, better serve current clients, create new revenue streams, and reach more clients. Those are the... I don't think that can be part of benefits in here. So I've got to think about what the copy is going to say better. Like I've got an idea of what I want to mean, but I have to get like, you know, like I said, concise and clear, like trying like clean and concise. I want things that are like short. I want to use just the right word. So usually I'll like start with like a title that's, you know, 4 or 5 words, and then I'll shorten it. Eventually we'll get to 1, right? Like here, we started with like how we work, right? And we got it down to process. So I like that kind of thing. Let's see. But then I struggle with, you know, making sure I'm not using like buzzwords and shit in an effort to consolidate. Okay. I don't think I quite want... I don't know. This is... Apparently this is overridden by what I have inside there. Let's see what this looks like. I didn't even see it start to come in. We gotta tighten that up too. Let's see. Yes, the entire content box can be a link, and I guess we'll try to link it to things that... It's the bottom of my viewport. Okay, sure. Direction of animation from the left. Sure. I like that one here. I think I'm gonna try to like get this one just right, and then we'll copy it back over to the other side. Okay. Which one did I use for over here? What kind of icon are we going to use for this? I don't know. I don't know what we're going to use for this. There we go, sure. I'm sure I'll find a better one sometime, but we'll start with this for now. I don't know. Increased, like, I don't know. Whatever, we'll just leave that for now. Oh, we gotta make it all caps. I don't know if that's the word I want to use, but I think I want to change it so it's like towards the bottom. Like, obviously we gotta change this one too. Gotta change the icon. Alright, so we're gonna change this so that it's like... Where's the animation? Nope, it's not in this section, is it? Ah, yes it is. Let's try that. Okay. Let's change the icon. This. That. Let's try up. These are all up. Great. Oh, good. A poop emoji. Just in case. I mean, who says that? Never mind. Ugh, I have to think of how to say all this stuff better. Copy is annoying. Okay. We're almost done here. Everybody, by the way. Thanks for joining me. Oh, shit. Oh, okay, there it is. I was gonna say, it's all gone! We messed it up! It's deleted. It's dead. Okay. This one needs change with the color, right? Or do we want... I don't know. No, I think we want to change that so that it's the blue that we want. Because that's not the blue that is the brand. We need the brand blue. Where is it? There, and there. Hover accent color. Let's try that. Update. Preview. Okay. Nope, that's not where it is. Okay. Let's see. Let's look inside each of these ones. Icon color, icon background outer border color. Animation none, okay. So it's gotta be one of the ones out here. Title font, body font. I might even want to make this one a little bit lighter, but we'll see. Let's do it out here too. That should be fine. That doesn't matter. Oh, I didn't mean to hit that one yet. Sorry, everybody. Sorry. And the hover color. Where is it? Did we do it already? Animation delay. Icon image. Hover accent color. Okay. Let's see. What's happened here? Oh, wrong one. Preview. Come on. Preview changes. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. I guess that's okay. It's better. Okay. We're getting there. We are getting there. So that's really good. Thank you everyone for joining me today. We have definitely, you know, made some headway in the layout. We've got all of the pieces of the homepage kind of together. At least we know like the bones and structure. Now it's like filling out the pieces and then copy work. Like the parts where I have to think about things and, you know, is this the best way to say it or not? Like those, I'm going to try to struggle with that off stream so that we don't all have to like watch that kind of like wording, rewording, like copy editing. That's annoying. We'll see. So like I said, this is like the end of the stream for today. I won't be streaming tomorrow. I have a client meeting. Wednesday, if I'm here, it's going to be really short. Thursday, different client meeting. No streaming on Thursday. And then Friday, we'll definitely be back by then. I say that now, but, you know, who knows? That's quite a few days away. But that's me for today, y'all. Thanks for stopping by. Bye!